In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Delta Exchange account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and type in Delta Exchange, and the first website is the one you want to click on, so delta.exchange. Click on that, and if you are in India, it's going to basically take you to the Indian website, or if you are anywhere else in the world, you'll be able to come to this global.delta.exchange website, okay? So in here, you simply want to click on the sign up button at the very top right. And then here, you want to put in your country of residence, and you can then set up or sign in with Google or Apple, or of course just your email and password if you want to. Then you want to click on the sign up button, and after that, your account will be created. You can then go ahead and look around the platform, but you won't be able to like withdraw, deposit, and trade and stuff like that until you actually verify your account. And then, of course, you can just go ahead and verify the account right away. And after you do this, after you basically put in your ID and stuff like that, you'll then be able to go ahead and have a fully functioning open account you can start using for your trading. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.